Everybody's on their feet, and they all got their money's worth tonight.
Standing above the San Juan River, Mexican Hat Rock is like nothing I've seen before. A wide, flat cap rock sits precariously on a narrow pillar much skinnier than the cap rock itself. I don't even want to know how much that cap rock weighs. You can see how it got the name Mexican Hat. Royal Robbins may have been the first to climb it, but I wasn't around. There are 5 bolts put in by the Bandidos Climbing Club, and the aid route is graded at C1. Aid climbing means one climbs on their gear, pulls on the bolts as well as the rock, and hangs on the fixed protection as they climb up. Max and Jody were willing subjects to climb this mushroom of desert rock as the golden hour grew to a crescendo in the western sky.
Hey, buddy. What's up?